In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domain in Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Netlify dashboard, how to choose the right site, and how to attach a custom domain so visitors can reach your project at a professional, memorable address. Start by heading to your Netlify dashboard. From the main workspace, look to the left-hand navigation and open the Projects section. This is where all of your sites live. If you manage multiple sites, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want to connect to a domain. Make sure you're selecting the correct project, especially if you work across multiple teams or environments like staging and production. Once you're inside the project, navigate to Domain Management. This area controls how your site is accessed on the web, including custom domains, subdomains, and DNS settings. It's the control center for everything URL related. Next, choose Add a Domain. Netlify will present two paths. If you don't own a domain yet, you can buy a new domain directly through Netlify, which keeps everything in one place. If you already have a domain from another registrar, you'll proceed with the option to add a domain you already own. In this walkthrough, we'll connect a domain you already own, so go ahead and pick that option. You'll see a field to enter your domain. Type it exactly as you want visitors to use it. For example, yourdomain.com or a subdomain like app.yourdomain.com. Avoid adding HTTP or HTTPS and watch out for extra spaces or typos. If you plan to use a subdomain, enter the subdomain explicitly. If you plan to use the root domain, enter just the root. Consistency here will save you time later. When you're ready, click Verify. Netlify will check if the domain is valid and can be associated with your site. Verification doesn't transfer ownership or change DNS by itself. It simply confirms that the domain can be connected. After verification, Netlify will guide you with on-screen prompts for the next steps, which may include setting DNS records at your registrar or opting into Netlify DNS. If you're using an external registrar, have access ready so you can complete any suggested changes. DNS updates can take time to propagate, so if you don't see the change right away, that's normal. That's it. You've successfully moved through the Netlify interface to add your domain, opening your project, heading to Domain Management, choosing at a domain, selecting the path for an existing domain, entering it carefully, and verifying. Proceed with the prompts you see to complete configuration, and your site will be reachable at your custom address.